The question is 24 divided by 6, bracket 2 plus, then bracket start. 8 times 3 divided by 4. So first we solve the brackets, and inside the bracket there's another bracket. So that one gets the highest priority. Let's look inside. Here we have 8 times 3 divided by 4. So according to the BODMAS rule, division and multiplication have the same priority. So here we'll check from left to right, starting with the leftmost operation. Since it's all multiplication, we'll solve those first, then do the division. But if you have a bracket like 8 times 3 divided by 4, 4 will cancel out twice. So inside the bracket, it becomes 6. 2 times, that makes 6. And we'll look at it the same way. Inside the bracket, 2 plus, so it becomes 2 plus 6, which is 8. Now let's write this the same way here. So this is what we get. 24 divided by 6, and inside the bracket, we have 8. We'll multiply inside the bracket, so 24 divided by 6 times 8. Let's check the terms from left to right. We'll give priority to division, and here on this side, we'll give priority to multiplication. Now, let's solve it here. 24 divided by 6 times 8. 6 goes into 24 4 times. 4 times 1, now 4 times 8 equals 32. This is the right answer.